cry. I've not felt like myself in a while. That's the main thing. Like, I've been so sick. Like, in and out. I've even lost weight from both going to the gym and then the sickness again. It has been a whole roller coaster, because like I'm falling sick, I'm falling out, I'm getting sick again, and then it's just up. I'm just happy I'm done with that. God has healed me completely, totally, fully. No affliction will rise again twice, please. Because I'm tired of being afflicted with this rubbish sickness. I don't even know what it is. Malaria, typhoid, ulcer. Bruh. Anywho, welcome back to a new vlog. I miss talking to you guys. How is everyone doing? Me, myself, I'm fine. As you guys can see, I'm laughing, I'm giggly. So yeah, welcome to a new vlog. If you're new here, by the way, my name is Wendy, and it's so good to have you here. So on this channel, we do all things vlogs, lifestyle vlogs, chit chat, self-development, self-help content. So if any of those interest you, kindly subscribe to the channel, click the notification so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. Okay, so now this is a new vlog, a brand new vlog, as you guys can see already. And in this vlog, I don't know, it's just going to be a nice chill weekend, because I'll be spending the night out in my parents' house. I've not done that in a while. Like, I'm not chilled with my friends, and like, it's not like I don't want to. I've just been sick. My body would not let me. Like, I had a birthday in February, I couldn't go. I had in March, I couldn't go. I had in April, I couldn't go. But this is May, and can I tell you people that this is my birthday month? Can I say welcome to May? Happy new month, you guys. This is my birthday month. My birthday is on the 17th, and I am so excited. Like, I have not been excited for my birthday in a while. Last year, I didn't even do anything. Last year I went to the movies, and that was it. Imagine going to the movies on your birthday, and that's it. Anywho, this year, I don't know if I should do something. I don't know yet, to be honest, but it's looking up. Like, the fact that I am healthy and I'm strong is enough reason to celebrate. By the way, today is Thursday, the 2nd of May. My friend's birthday is tomorrow, the 3rd, and we are going to turn up. Period. But tell me why I have CDS tomorrow. See, if you have not experienced NYSC or you're done, you don't know what has done for you, because Jesus, those people, they will test your patience. They will drain all the blood in your body. I want to get my hair done. Nothing serious, and let's not talk about the hair that's under these bonnets, because child, it's crazy. It's so insane. Jesus. That's not bad. I took out my cornrows yesterday night, so I think I want to wash it myself, like deeply wash it, because if I go to the salon, they will just like, and that's it. But I want to like take the time, take the shower, wash it well, and then I'm going to put it in another cornrow. You guys should not think I'm doing anything extra. No, I am not. I'll put in another cornrow, and I was thinking of doing my nails, but I'm like, my birthday is in another 1 week, 2 weeks. My birthday is another 2 weeks. Am I going to waste money now? But I'll probably just do something simple for my nails. But like, for her birthday, she's not doing anything serious either. It's just going to be like a sip and bake kind of situation, and then we're going to have like girls' night, party night, games night. Yeah, and then we are also going to be swimming. It's been so long since I had fun. Me, life of the party. I've not had fun in a while. Is that even normal? Is that normal? That shouldn't be normal. It shouldn't be allowed.
Lonely at the top. Lonely, lonely. Money on my mind. Money. care what they yarning about me in particular. Try on the road chasing my dream because I know. Chase it for me. Wanna love like a man from my love. Barakoto Ikisha my love. Everyone select like on my love. No they find anybody na money I want. Only hear what the people they talk. What the gay I shall get it till love. There's a life from no one, no get another one. I go take and do it in a love. Waiting you love. Waiting you love. Waiting I love. Waiting I love. Waiting I love.
Good morning from your favorite princess. The day is upon us. You guys, so I am with Nisi. Nisi, come and stay beside me. I don't know, she has just been so distant. Like, for real? Yes. Aww. She only gave me one hug. Like, who does that? Like, twin! Where have you been? Nobody knows me like you do. Nobody knows me like I do. Anyway, we are getting ready. Not the beauty contest we came to introduce what we are doing today. Respect yourself.
Good morning.
You guys, we're about to step out. Actually, we're about to head out. I wait for anybody. I'm waiting for Fola. It's going to be a huge crowd. Norma did not give me full updates. That's all I have to say. 17 people. She loves it. Like
I'm happy.
She lives for crowd.
I love it.
Oh my God.
Yeah, it's because you get to meet different people and different personalities and see how people are, and I find that exciting.
Could never be me, bro. Like, could never.
That's why it's me for you.
I'm just like, I'm mentally preparing myself for the day ahead, but it's okay. We are going to be heading to the apartment soon. Once Amanda and Fala gets here, we'll be on our way. Well, this is the first person I'm introducing to you guys, so meet Oiza. For someone who will be creating content for the rest of today, I need to seriously prepare myself mentally for the socializing I want to socialize. But yeah, I'll make it happen, right? We will. Fake it till you make it. I'm going to try not to fake it too much. Okay. Alright. Talk to you guys later. You people, wait. I've not complained. I went to trials and tribulations today in the name of NYSC, you people. Jesus. See, when we were singing Under the Sun and in the Rain, it's not a joke.
The surely guys were actually in the rain today.
It's not a joke, bro. I entered police station today trying to look for shade. They were very accommodating. I'm not even joking. They said,
police is your friend.
Police. They inside. You cannot stay outside. I said, we should enter inside. She make her not enter, make her not come out. I beg go. So it was terrible. Like, rain beats me. I was just waiting for this ride. I did not say I was standing in front of police station, drenched.
I swear, like, that rain was actually heavy this morning. Wow, it was heavy.
Onyenaku. Thank you.
Hi. Happy birthday, baby.
Thank you.
Hi. I'm coming. I
came from Wanda. Anywhere.
I want to put the lights on.
You guys are bad. Hey, girl.
You know the vibes. It's not easy.
Rosemary, nobody called you here.
Me, I want to drink. People will bring drink as if we were coming. I thought you want to bring their drink as they were coming.
Drunkards.
I want to buy drinks.
Is it recording?
So your camera has been kissing.
The second birthday girl. What are the odds that? Yes, it is. What are the odds that these two people, this and this, are born on the same day and they've been classmates since?
Just one.
And now they're in the same class. And now they're in the same course, in the same school,
Destiny.
in this like.
They are destined to be friends.
Someone explain it to me. Rosemary, please.
Hi guys, welcome back to our
Let them see me
channel.
now.
On today's vlog,
Chilling with Nomzy and friends.
on today's vlog will be
Celebrating Nomzy's and Judith's birthday.
Yeah, so that's how we used to celebrate birthday. Thank you for walking there. I don't
Say that I'm good enough, love my think about shit that I shouldn't know. So I tell him it's one of me, he making fun of me. His girl is a bum to me, like that boy is a cap. Saying he home, but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me, cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like, yo, send me a pin.
TMI, I have tampon on for the first time ever. Like, first time in my life. You know the years I've been doing. My baby! Let's go! Hey! How many rooms to display? Should we go? You guys, can you tell I am so excited? I haven't been this happy in a while.
Yeah, we're so excited, guys.
Yeah, I'm so excited. I can't. Oh my gosh! Wow.
On my mirror, start to blush when somebody says your name. In my stomach there's a pain. You walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand, but my knees go weak.
I'm on 22.
I'm 26. Hey, 26 is not hard.
When you are talking, I should not stop.
My favorite lemon 60.
Another banger. Make a call, make a bong, 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 make a call, make a keep a deep bong, 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 your body, kakara, make a bong, 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 on a make a
This is how to play music.
Just pause to take a shot at me.
Why not more, your body, check it. Bush it
update. This place is so beautiful. Like they took us on a tour. We saw like art pieces. And bro, my heart is full. Like I'm having the best time, the best weekends. Thoroughly with my friends too. Like I am having so much fun. And like we're about to go start painting now. And I don't know, we'll just see how that goes. I just wanted to like check in with you guys, tell you guys what we're on, what like is currently going on, and like what we'll be doing next. You get. So yeah, that's that about that. Okay, all right guys, bye.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I feel it coming. Time is up to yesterday. I try to need you, but I need some love.